I wanted to share with you guys a problem that I ran into on my Switch 2, and I found a solution for it. So the issue I had is I like to use it in docked mode, or even use the existing screen that they have, set that up, and be able to use a controller. Now, it comes with an adapter, but the problem is I'm using these grips because I've got large hands, and so I don't like to use the slim profile of the Switch. I like to have something to hold on to, but the problem is I can't use it with this, and I don't want to take this in and out every time because that's going to wear down the silicone on this. So I searched the internet and I found what I thought would be a solution, and I'm happy to tell you it does work. They call this the Joy handle, and it is truly a joy to use. It's rechargeable, so this will recharge your Joycons as well. Comes with the cable. But ultimately, the thing I love the most about it, it works. It's got a nice slim profile. This comes in a few different colors. I chose the blue. I love blue. It's simple design, good construction. It will charge your grips as well. But what I love is now I can actually just play my game.